We're talking today about the people in New York.
Jamaica Progressive League.
The Jamaica Progressive League. And the Jamaica Progressive League wanted changes to be effected in Jamaica. They influenced some of the changes that took place. So therefore, when they came, they wanted us to concentrate on self-government. And Norman Manley was a great advocate of self-government. And so we spent a lot of time because we felt that if we were able at the local level, meaning the Jamaican level, to effect some government, that we could do what we want, direct ourselves. Jamaica ruled itself, and after 1838, between 1838 and 1865, Jamaica was a powerful country, you know. It carried out what missions it wanted, made what laws it wanted. So when in 1865 it went back to Crown government, it was a retrograde step. And we never recovered until we just recovered now. In 1865, 1884, they had a little change. And but all that time, one of the things that affected us was Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey had a great influence on the development of the country. Many people don't think about it.
Was there ever any attempt to get Marcus Garvey into the People's National Party?
I don't know of any. I don't know of any. You see, he was a one-man orchestra, and wanted. It was, his emphasis was on the Negro improvement and so on.